didn't see there. Pack this up. Having small kids this time of year, I've been sick a lot, so I've been birding from this window over here, and I've seen some pretty cool birds. Okay, so welcome to the window. At first I thought it was kind of annoying having to get this high up to photograph birds, because our other windows, our huge windows, don't really open easily. I mean, you can open them, but we have a lot of stuff and they're really big, so it's quite an effort to open those windows. But getting this high up actually has been pretty good, because we have a really ugly fence that's kind of a steel net thing that makes for really bad backgrounds. And getting this high up allows me to get a background that is above that fence. A much nicer background getting up here. And on top of that, I also see the shrub behind the fence from here, where I've seen the more rare birds from here, like the wren and the robin. Most of the woodpecker footage is on that shrub as well, behind the fence. So this has actually been really nice. And this also allows me to cover this door up, or this window up, so the birds don't really see me. You'll see kind of a camera and a tiny bit of a head. So that also helps. So all birds you'll see in this video have been photographed from this very window. Apart from the European green woodpecker, which I actually had to go outside, right outside here, because it perched high up in a tree, and there's a balcony on top here that blocked the side of that one. So that one, full disclaimer, wasn't from this window, but right outside. I've actually been able to photograph a lot of different birds from here, which really speaks to the importance of having green patches like this in residential areas, because there's houses really close that way. It's a real small patch of forest, if you can even call it that, but a green patch. And having a patch like this that connects larger green areas allow wildlife to move between them and also just have a space to thrive. It also says something about having a shrub like this, like to not remove old logs and branches and sticks and stuff, but to just pile them up like that. I mean, in that shrub I photographed a robin, wrens, lots of different thrushes, woodpeckers, squirrels, you name it. This is actually a really nice spot for photographing, and it's really nice having it right in your backyard like this, even when you live in a flat. A quite small flat on top of that. So thank you for watching all the way here. A like would be great. A subscribe as well if you want to see more. See you in the next one.